Okay, this is the Curiously Cinnamon challenge. Okay, what you do, make sure your hands are clean. And you take some Curiously Cinnamon. Yep, just handful of Curiously Cinnamon, and then you go to your target.
But everybody loves chocolate. What if I can recreate chocolate in my own image?
And the idea is to see how many Curiously Cinnamon you can place in your target.
Thousands of laser pointers. It has a melting capacity of 7. That's on a scale of 1 to 5, so that's a big
That's
number.
one.
Here, what's this? I've left my harvest for the city.
That's 2.
Process with my secret ingredients to produce the most irresistible confection in the tri-state area. Now, do you understand what you're up against?
That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. If you look closely, you can see that there's a drool and dribble hanging out. But we're still going. She dropped a couple. That's a fail.
What do you mean delayed?
Candace, honey, the snowstorm has delayed your grandparents' plane. Your father and I have to wait here at the airport until they arrive. It may be hours.
But I need your help. Stacy told me that Marcus told her that Jeremy told him that he got the perfect gift for me.
Oh no. How will you manage?
Mom, think. If Jeremy found the perfect gift for me, then I have to find the perfect gift for him.
I thought you already got a gift for Jeremy.
I did, but I can't come up with an obvious stupid present that anyone could have gotten.
That's a real mouthful of Curiously Cinnamon right there. As you can see, I'm a seasoned Curiously Cinnamon Challenge champion.
So hard and insulting. I think I'm lame and thoughtless and he'll stop liking me.
Oh,
They don't think.
that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Forgive me, boys.
7.
Up to.
Right. Now feel free to do various different variations of the Curiously Cinnamon Challenge. She's staring. Oh.
Those two are so busted. For lollygagging in bed?
You've been working on a way to seize the day while also not having to get out of bed so early. I think you can cross that one off our to-do list.
Let me see that. What is this? Number 1 was right.
When you wake up and see food and just start eating it.